What's up, money growers? Jacob back here with another video coming to you guys today with something that I think will be beneficial for a lot of you that are looking to get a good deal on certain credit cards, especially those of you that are looking to really just, pay like zero interest until, 2023. If you want to take the rest of 2021 and all of 2022 off from paying interest on a credit card, this is going to be a good video for you guys today. So go ahead, hit the thumbs up button on this one. We're going to be going through 11 credit cards that I have here where you will not be paying any interest on these until the year 2023. So you got a long time with these cards we're going to be talking about here today. If you have any of these cards, tell me about it down in the comment section below, because I actually do not have any of these. But as I was researching this and just thought it'd be something that people could benefit from, particularly with, I'm making this during the holiday shopping season. So, as I'm researching this, I'm like, some of these offers look pretty good. I may have to apply for some of these cards. And you guys are going to notice a trend here when it comes to who tends to dominate this space when we're looking at these, 0% APR cards. On balance transfers and oftentimes on purchases as well. So let's hop into the first one right here we're talking about, okay? So we're going to go in order from shortest to longest with these credit cards. So this is going to be the shortest one here, and then we'll get into ones that are like, 20 months and beyond that. So you got some cards here where you're not paying interest for a while. So first here we go, Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Credit Card. So the details of the card obviously gets you $200 online cash rewards bonus offer, which is cool, plus unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases, which is also cool. This says it's low introductory APR offer, which is 0% APR for your first 15 billing cycles for purchases and for any balance transfers made within 60 days of your account. So you get the 0% APR for purchases and then for balance transfers within 60 days. So you got that 15 billing cycles, but you have a 60-day window to do it. So, with the cash back offer, sign up bonus, cash back here with the sign up bonus, and no annual fee on top of this too. Hey, good job, Bank of America. Nice. Now move on to this second card here. Also Bank of America, a cash back credit card they have here. So this is Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards. So $200 online cash reward bonus offer and 3% cash back in the category of your choice. So this is another one here that offers the 0% APR in your first 15 billing cycles for purchases and for any balance transfers made within 60 days of opening your account. Then after that, you're looking at 13.99 to 23.99%. Then 3% fee or minimum $10 applies to balance transfers. So again, this 0% APR for a while, the cash back, you get on this. Now Citi, here we go, is our first Citi card. So first Citi card we have in here, the Citi Rewards Plus card, okay? Now this is cool because it says turn everyday purchases into something bigger, plus no annual fee. So we'll look at this here. It says for limited time, as of the making of this video, you get 20,000 bonus points for spending $1,500 in 3 months of the account opening, redeemable for $200 in gift cards. So, a penny a point is what you're looking at. Now, also you get here, like we're talking about in this video, 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. So 0% on both of those for over a year, which will definitely take you into 2023. Then after that, 13.49 to 23.49%. So then talks about the actual fee of what, $5 or 3% of the balance transfer, whichever is greater. So first Citi card on here that we're looking at. Next, we're coming over to Wells Fargo. So Wells Fargo has the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. This is going to get you $200 cash rewards bonus when you spend just $1,000 in the first 3 months. So 20% return on spend. Hey, not bad. And then you get unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases, no annual fee on this card. As we scroll down a little more, you have 0% intro APR for 15 months on this one as well. So you have 15 months from the account opening on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. After that, you're looking at $14.99, $19.99, or $24.99. So another one that offers not just the 0% APR, but cash back, and rewards bonus when you sign up. The Citi Custom Cash Card. So we'll come back to this one with Citi. So Citi Custom Cash Card offers a $200 cash back right now after spending just $750 on purchases in the first 3 months. So that's even better return on spend than $200 for 1,000. It says plus enjoy our low intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, no annual fee. So if we scroll down here to the bottom, they do make it a little more specific. So introductory rate of 0% for 15 months from the date of the account opening on purchases, and an introductory rate of 0% for 15 months from the date of first transfer for balance transfers completed within 4 months of account opening. So that's why sometimes when you come to these cards, it can be good to come and take a look at the fine print on some of these. So when it says, because up here, I mean, even if you're not that familiar with credit cards, it says low intro APR, but they don't actually give you a number here. So the fact that it says low intro APR without a number, I mean, you're probably going to want to know that number if you're going to be applying for the card. So you do a little digging, you get into the fine print, you can actually find some of those details for stuff, some of the specifics that they may not be telling you right up front. All right, next we'll move on. Bank of America again. So this is the BankAmericard credit card. So it's a save on interest plus $100 online bonus offer. So this gives you 0% intro APR for 18 billing cycles for purchases and for any balance transfers made in the first 60 days. So a lot of the 0% APR for purchases and balance transfers just kind of depends. 60 days, 4 months, a year, plus whatever it is, just depending on the offer. Then after that, you're going to be in the ballpark of 12.99 to 22.99. And you have a 3% fee or $10 that will apply to balance transfers. After that intro APR period, but that's 18 billing cycles. So you got some time when it comes to this card. And there's no annual fee on top of it. And no penalty APR. And then you get your statement credit bonus online. Now over here, we're going to be coming back to Wells Fargo on this one. So this is the Wells Fargo Reflect card they have. First thing comes right here, 0% intro APR for 18 months from account opening on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. Intro APR extension of up to 3 months with on-time payments. That's cool during the introductory and extension periods. Here's your interest rate you're going to be looking at here. Balance transferred made within 120 days qualify for the intro rate and fee. So no annual fee on this card. 0% APR for 18 months. You got 120 days to do it when it comes to this card. So it says enjoy our lowest intro APR for up to 21 months. So 18 months is what you're going to get. Then you get up to 3 months when you make at least your minimum monthly payment on time during the introductory and extension periods. So, I mean, you can push this up to almost 2 years. So this is that's our longest intro APR. Your good habits pay off when you pay on time. So, hey, thanks, Wells Fargo. Now let's come over here. Back to Citi. Okay, so now we're coming back to Citi. You guys might be noticing there's a handful of banks that are kind of dominating this whole thing, right? The Citi Double Cash card. This is such a popular credit card. I do not have this one, but I know some people who really love this just because they love the whole 2% cash back and the simplicity of it. So you're going to get 1% cash back when you buy plus 1% cash back when you pay. So this is balance transfer only, 0% intro APR for 18 months on balance transfers. So again, this is another 18-month one. There's not an extension with this like there is with the Wells Fargo, but again, you're looking at 18 months. This is after that, $13.99 to $23.99. You're seeing a lot of these are kind of in the similar ballpark of each other. The balance transfer fee, $5 or 3%, whichever is greater. And the balance transfer fees must be completed within 4 months of account opening. And then you can have that whole 18-month period, okay? Let's see. Next, we're going to move on to U.S. Bank. Here we go. We got a different player in the game now. So we got someone else here, a new member. So U.S. Bank, they have their Visa Platinum card. And this is enjoy a low intro APR for 20 billing cycles, okay? So this is for a limited time, get a special 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for 20 billing cycles. After that, APR 14.49 to 24.49, so a little higher than like over here at Citi. So looking to be, it's going to be a little bit higher than that. But here's U.S. Bank making the list. So it says down here, the 0% introductory APR applies to purchases and is valid for the first 20 billing cycles. It says it applies to balance transfers made within 60 days of account opening and is valid for the first 20 billing cycles. So that balance transfer, you got 60 days to do that from when you open this, and then you got 20 billing cycles though. All right, next we're going to look here. Citi Diamond Preferred Card. This is another one here. This is a long one. So low intro APR on balance transfers and purchases. It says go ahead and get what you want with our low intro. See, they don't give the number here, so we're going to dig a little deeper. APR for 21 months and balance transfers and 12 months on purchases with no annual fee. So they're giving you quite a length of time here and with no annual fee. But let's go down here a little bit. This is what balance transfer APR. Oh, after it expires, 13.74 to 23.74. So again, all kind of in the similar ballpark. Let's scroll down and see how long you have. So the introductory rate of 0% for 12 months from date of account opening on purchases, and introductory rate 0% for 21 months from date of transfer for balance transfers. Balance transfers must be completed within 4 months of account opening. So a lot of these are pretty much 2 months to about 4 months is what we're seeing commonly. So 60 days to about 120 days. So then after that, you're going to get the standard variable APR rates, yada, yada, yada. And then the 11th and final one we'll come to is Citi again, right? Citi, you guys have seen Citi, Wells Fargo, and Bank of America kind of dominated this list with the exception of US Bank making it on here. And there's other ones I've missed. You guys definitely put them down in the comment section below. But this is Citi Simplicity Card. It says no late fees, no penalty rate, no annual fee ever. So let's look at this is get our low intro APR for 21 months on balance transfers and 12 months on purchases. So we're going to see how low it is. We're going to do a little digging. And then 0 in on a low intro rate. So from date of first transfer, from date of opening. So let's just scroll down here. Here we go. See how long. So 0% for 12 months, date of account opening on purchases, and introductory rate of 0 for 21. From date of first transfer for balance transfers. After that, the standard variable APR will apply, and you're looking at 14.74, 24.74. So that's what you're looking at, okay? So this is 11 cards, so 21 months. So some of these you're pushing 2 years with, this whole 0% APR. So you can pay no interest for quite a while into 2023 on some of these. So this is I want to share this with you guys because a lot of these may be a good option for you. So it's just stuff for you to research and dig deeper into if you're in this kind of situation. But this can be helpful for some people depending on what they do, depending on their work, their business, if they're trying to basically take advantage of having a 0% interest loan for a certain length of time for a project. So you got options, you got things that you can do, you got some flexibility with these credit cards. I just really want to share with you and hope that the info does get passed along and is helpful to someone out there. So hey, hit the thumbs up if you haven't done so yet for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon.